Hi, my name is Sean Pearson, and today I'm going to teach you how to Fakie Backside Half Cap Heelflip. The first trick you need to learn of how to do a Fakie Backside Half Cap Heelflip, you want to learn how to Fakie ollie, and this is what that looks like. So now that you got the Fakie ollie down, the next step and the next trick you need to learn how to do to learning Fakie Backside Heelflips, you need to learn how to Fakie Backside Half Cap. So this is what they look like. So now that you got the Fakie Backside Half Cap, the next step and the next trick you need to learn to learning Fakie Backside Half Cap Heelflips, you need to learn how to Fakie Heelflip. So this is what they look like. So now that you got the Fakie Heelflip, now it's time to add all of that together. And by doing that, you want to add the half cap, you want to add the heel flip in there, and you want to add the ollie in there. So by adding all of those in there, you're going to perform the Fakie Backside Half Cap Heelflip. So this is what that look like. So if you add all those tricks together, you will perform a Fakie Backside Half Cap Heelflip. So all you got to do is combine all those tricks together and you got that trick. But foot positions, you want to set up like a heel flip. So setting up like a heel flip will allow you to do this trick the right way. This is how I set up when I do my Fakie Backside Half Cap Heelflips. So I have my foot placed like this on the board when I'm going Fakie. So you want to have your foot and your toes slightly hanging off the board like I'm doing it. And you want to have your back foot hanging off the board like this, like I'm showing you right now. You would do the Fakie Backside Half Cap Heelflip the right way. So that's how you Fakie Backside Half Cap Heelflip. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you won't miss out on videos like this every week. Catch you in the next video.